Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to check out a 1989 Suburban. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so the front end on this thing needs some attention. There's quite a few loose components and worn out things, so we're going to take a look at it. So I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it. So the owner of this has a new dash piece. It's just not installed yet. He did have to find one, but he does have it now. It's got the overhead console in it. It's pretty nice. So this has got a fuel injected 350 in it. Alright, what do you say we get to work on it? Alright, so we're going to replace the steering gearbox, this joint right here, and then the two ball joints right up here.
You know what happened one time? Javier did that. Reached back, went like that. A piece of metal came off of this.
That's why I grind that off.
Yeah, and just, boy,
Yeah.
hit him. I mean, right here, it cut him good.
Yeah. There we go. Now I have to go down there and disconnect the lines and the steering shaft. So the bolts for the steering gearbox are up in here, and then there's three of them over here. It's probably a little dark, but there is three of them there. Can you grab that pry bar right there? Thank you. All right, can you pry? am going to turn this and make sure it's in the center. It appears to be, but I'm going to double check it. Okay, got him. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. That came off quick. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching.